You want to know what the biggest lie in AI is right now? It's that people have us thinking we can just plug into an AI tool and boom, it'll run your entire business, create all your content, and make you go viral overnight. No, let me tell you the truth. There are hundreds, maybe even thousands of AI tools out there. And yes, they can seriously level up your workflow. But right now, I'm still doing everything myself. From scripting, voiceovers, and images to B-roll, music, editing, thumbnails, social media posts, it's all me. The only difference, I use AI everywhere I possibly can. ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, Design for my characters and videos, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Canva for visuals and editing, CapCut for putting it all together, Midjourney for images, Suno for music, and Hydra for syncing lips and faces. There is no one tool that does it all, at least not yet. But if I had to choose the one closest to being all-in-one, Design is the frontrunner, hands down.
But don't get it twisted. This isn't plug and play. It's messy. It's trial and error. It's me figuring it out, one creative step at a time.
And that, my friend, is the real journey I want to share with you. No fluff, just the tools, the lessons, and the real behind the scenes of building with AI as a solo creator. Want to see my full AI tool stack? Check the comments. I've dropped all the links there. And yes, I'm affiliated with some of them. So if you sign up, we both get credits. That's a win-win situation for us both. And hey, if you're curious about how to actually use these tools without the BS, follow and subscribe. Otherwise, we might never cross feeds again. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.